Accounting. The word alone can make some people break out in a cold sweat. It's often seen as the realm of spreadsheets, calculators, and people who laugh at depreciation jokes. But hold on, what if I told you accounting is less about torturing numbers and more like a delicious cake? Okay, maybe not delicious, but bear with me. See, there are different types of accounting, each with its own flavor. We're diving into two big ones, cost accounting and financial accounting. One's like the baker meticulously measuring ingredients, the other's like judging the final product in a fancy culinary competition. Intrigued? Let's get cooking. First up, cost accounting. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes crew of a restaurant. They're not out front charming guests, they're in the kitchen figuring out how much each plate of fancy food actually costs to make. Cost accountants are all about the nitty-gritty. They track every penny that goes into making a product or service. Raw materials, labor costs, they've got it covered. This information is like gold to a business, helping them price things right, spot inefficiencies, and boost profits. Basically, they're the financial heroes nobody sees, but definitely appreciate. Now let's step out of the kitchen and onto the red carpet. Financial accounting is all about presenting the polished, final dish to the world. Investors, creditors, the public, they're the judges in this scenario, and they want to see a beautiful, balanced set of books. Financial accountants take all the data, sprinkle in some accounting magic, following rules like GAAP, which sounds way more exciting than it is, and voila, out pop financial statements like the balance sheet and income statement. These reports tell the story of a company's financial health, attracting investors, securing loans, and keeping everything transparent. Section 4, two sides of the same ledger. Spotting the differences. So both types of accounting deal with numbers, but their goals and audiences are different. Cost accounting is like an internal whisper, guiding business decisions from behind the scenes. Financial accounting is a loudspeaker, broadcasting financial performance to the world. One focuses on internal costs, the other on external reporting. One helps manage and control, the other informs and attracts. Think of them as two sides of the same delicious, or at least informative, accounting coin. Section 5. Cost accountants and financial accountants like chefs and food critics. To put it all in perspective, imagine cost accountants as the chefs in a restaurant kitchen. They're focused on the ingredients, the recipes, and the efficiency of creating each dish. Financial accountants are like the food critics. They evaluate the final product, judging its presentation, taste, and overall appeal. Both are essential to the success of the culinary world, or in our case, the business world. Chefs without critics wouldn't know how their food is perceived, and critics without chefs would have nothing to critique. It's a symbiotic relationship, just like cost and financial accounting.